Now let us change these numbers, which are already in standard form, to decimal fraction. Solution. Question A asks us to convert 3.8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 5 to decimal fraction. Now to do this, we write this number which we have here, 3.8, then divided by, now we convert this from negative index to positive index. That is, we have 10 with the power of 5. Now this can then be written as 3.8 over, now 10 with the power of 5 means we have 1 and then 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what this means is that we then write 0 point. Now remember we had 5 zeros here. That means for our 5 zeros, we are going to write the first 4 and then the 5th digit will carry this 3. Now again, remember there are 5 digits since we have 5 zeros. And out of that 5, 3 occupies one of them. So we'll then write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the 5th one will be 3. Then any other number that follows these decimal points can then come after. So that is, we'll have 8. Therefore, 3.8 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 would give us 0.000038. Now for question B, where we have 2.9 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. This is then written as 2.9 over, now we change this 10 raised to the power minus 6 to the positive index form. And that will mean we have 10 raised to the power 6, positive 6. So this can then be written as 2.9 over, now writing this, we'll have 1 and then 6 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, our answer would then be 0 point. Now we know that the number of digits that follow this decimal place is 6. And of that 6, the 6th one will be 2. So that means we'll have 5 zeros and then 2. So let's write 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 followed by 2 being the 6th digit, and then any other digit that follow this decimal point can then come. So we have 9. So in our conclusion, we can then say that 3.8 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 would give us 0.000038 in decimal fraction. And then 2.9 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 is same thing as 0.000029 in decimal fraction. Thank you.